George is quite the innovator. In fact, we've been trying to figure out a number of titles for him here in the company over the years, because he started this whole company really by himself, quit his day job in 1984 and began developing technologies, and we've really covered a lot of areas since then.
George is one of those people that can actually communicate with others, and then he can carry it forward into meaningful places. He can look at the social implications that a technical invention might have and find a way to use it in a really productive way.
The technologies that George has developed go all the way through into other areas such as the medical field and sporting goods equipment. So it's very interesting to have this mindset about creativity and looking at the periodic table as your Lego set and thinking about what you can build with it, because we end up having a lot of different possibilities and a lot of different options.
He's also one of those people that cares a lot about what this means to other people. It's really hard to create new jobs in rural that matter. But if you can take someone like George, who's an entrepreneur, who's committed to doing that development in a rural area, what better way to do that?
It's so interesting that he has just that built-in, non-stoppable push. He kind of just wakes up with it every day. And at the same time, he's able to couple that with kindness.
George is one of those people that's a pioneer. And by that I mean he's pioneered in technology, but he also sees himself as being the advanced guard for the next generation. He's very interested in not only having rural economic development, but about who's behind him, who's going to follow me and be the next generation of this idea. And I think that makes him not only a leader, but also someone that's really looking out for what's going to happen in the future.
For his decades of work in advanced materials and commitment to rural economic development, this year's Governor's Medal for Science and Technology in Industry goes to George Hansen, Chief Technology Officer and founder of the Conductive Group.